Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share with you an online earning website called LiteCoinVip.com where you can complete tasks daily and earn money. If you sign up for the first time on this website, you will get 200 USDT for free. So the link to this website is available in the video description. When you click on the link, you will get the interface like this. First of all, you need to create an account here. For that, enter your email, then password and re-enter password and click on sign up. Here you will see the interface like this. Here you can read the announcement. Welcome to the Litecoin Investment and Financial Management channel. Register to get 200 USD LTC. You can withdraw it after 1 month of staking. Litecoin is an improved digital currency inspired by Bitcoin, and when you deposit 1000 USDT for the first time, you will receive a 6% USDT bonus which will be deposited directly into your account. Members 1's quota is 9 USDT and his daily income is 1.8 USDT. Member 2's quota is 46 USDT and his daily income is 9.3 USDT. Member 3's quota is 108 USDT and his daily income is 22.5 USDT. You can read all the details here. For example, member 13's quota is 27,000 USDT and his daily income is 9,642.8 USDT. So invite third level rebate rewards. When joining Litecoin investment, you need to promote the platform. When someone uses your invitation code to register and recharge, you will receive the following level 3 rebates. 10% for A level members. If the other party recharge 1000 USDT, you will get 100 USDT. 3% for B level members. If the other party recharges 1000 USDT, you will get 30 USDT. And 1% for C level members. So click on I now. So invite friends to recharge 50 USDT. Get a chance. Click on go. Congratulations, we have won 0.5 USDT. So here you can see the home screen of the website. We have different buttons like recharge, withdraw, app and company profile. And if I swipe down, here we have task hall. You can see we have different tasks, member list, etc. At the bottom we have 5 tabs: home, task, team, VIP and me. If I click on me, you can see our balance is 200 USDT. When you create an account for the first time on this website, you will get 200 USDT bonus. So first of all, let me show you how you can add deposit. Click on the recharge button and here is the address. You can copy this address or you can also scan this QR code. And please do not recharge other than TRC20 USDT asset. The funds will arrive in your account in about 1 to 3 minutes after recharging. After this, I open my Binance wallet and I transfer minimum 9 USDT. Here I click on withdraw. Paste the address, choose network, TRC20, enter amount. For example, I want to make a deposit of 59 USDT. The minimum recharge is 9 USDT. Click on confirm. After the confirmation, open it again and click on recharge completed. Within a minute or 2, you will get the deposit in your account. And yes, you can see we have got our deposit 59 and now our total balance is 259. Now you need to go to VIP section and unlock your VIP level. For example, you can see here we have different VIP level. In VIP 1, daily task is 1, daily profit 1.8 USDT and total profit 648 USDT. In VIP 2, daily profit 9.3 USDT and total profit 3348 USDT. You can unlock it with 246 USDT. In VIP 3, daily profit 22.5 USDT and you can unlock it with 308 USDT. In VIP 4, daily profit 43.7 USDT. In VIP 5, daily profit 99.3 USDT and you can unlock it with 620 USDT. In VIP 6, daily profit 170.4 USDT and total profit 61,344 USDT and you can unlock it with 950 USDT. So you can read all the details about VIP 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. In VIP 11, daily profit 3000 USDT and total profit 1,080,000 USDT and you can unlock it with 10,700 USDT. So for example, I have unlocked VIP 1 level. The next step is to complete the task. You need to go to task section and here click on to complete. Wait a few seconds and our daily task has been completed. Click on completed and you can see our income is 1.8 USDT. If I click on me, now my total balance is 260.8 USDT. So the next step is how to withdraw your money. Click on withdraw button, enter the withdrawal amount, enter the Tron address, USDT TRC20, then enter your password and click on confirm. And you can see withdraw successfully. And you can also invite your friends on this platform to earn together. Click on team. You just need to copy this link and share this link with your friends and invite your friends on this platform to earn together. In level 1, you can earn 10%, in level 2, 3% and in level 3, 1% commission. And now let's go to our Binance account and let's see if our withdrawal has received or not yet. And in spot, go to history and you can see our withdrawal 51.8 has arrived and it's just in confirmation process. Estimate arrival time is in 1 minute. You have successfully deposited 51.8 USDT. So with this easy method, you can earn money online. So the link to this website is available in the video description, so must check it out. And that's it for this video. Give this video a like and comment down below if you have any question. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.